Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts.
In a world where a man writes a letter on his computer to another man who reads the letter and gets angry, this is war. A brilliant metaphor. He doesn't like this person. He's a competitor. He wrote, another boss here. Let's see what she does. Oh, she writes a nice letter without a war metaphor. He is happy. There were two groups in this Brigham Young University study, and they showed that the war metaphors made the people break rules. Yeah, they performed better, but they were very morally incorrect in their actions. Yes, a cake. A metaphor is something that symbolically represents something else. A cake is like love. A cake is love. So metaphors are very good because they stimulate the visual part of your brain. And there are not similes. A simile is something that is like something else. Like a sun. Like you shine like the sun today. A metaphor is that you are the sun of my life. You are. Oh, so happy. Okay, this guy. Let's have some examples. Conscience is a man's compass. Heart of stone. Broken heart. Water. Yeah. Oh, no! Rolling mad. What is your favorite metaphor? Tell us in the comments below. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. 'Cause baby, you're fire. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and entrances. The end.